Walter, tell me, how did you make it? Last section.
I think I got a hold, and I think I was patient. I think I was trying to see where was the open gap so I can get in, and finally make a move, and I saw the gap that I can go and went in.
Okay, in the tactics told by coach, you were the one to make a final shot, or someone else could make it?
Oh, I think everybody's capable in our team. I think Pura is capable and make big shots and my way, and I think everybody. But I think the guys feel real comfortable with me taking the last shot, and I feel real comfortable too taking the last shot. So I think it's great.
Your opinion about all game? Katowice was very tough rivalry.
Yeah, I think that they're a great team. We played them 2 times, before the season, and I think it's hard to beat the same team 3 times in a row. And I think they're playing great. It was one of the games we got a conversation, me and Scott. And we got a little argument, and I told him, I said, hey, you scored 30, but you guys who lost. And I think he's done a great job with their team, playing together, and I think their guys enjoy playing with them. I don't know if he got it from our conversation, but I think they're playing great, and he's making his team better.
Okay, well, speaking about Ted Scott, he's the best player in Polish League? Or you?
I don't know. I would say that he's a great scorer, and he can score anytime he wants, and I think that's great when we got a player like that, and I think he's one of the best players in Poland.
A little summary about all game. I think that the first 2 quarters was very tough, and in third and fourth quarter. It seems like that you gave a job in your hand. You played more individual, you shot more. Why? You saw that our team has a problem to make a good shot?
Oh, I think coach gave me calls, and the call was for me to play, and I think the whole game I'll be passing the ball and stuff, and sometimes it's time for me to score, and I think I was feeling great today playing, and the basket was going in, so I think coach make us good calls.
Great game, great win. You had a final shot. I presume that you will celebrate very hot this victory today.
Yeah, I think I'm going with the family. Probably go eat and go to the movies or something light. I'm not doing nothing crazy. I'm too tired today. But maybe tomorrow go to the pool here and enjoy it.
Okay.